I'm at a fucking accident right now. This shit look crazy in Queensbridge. Look at that shit. Car is hit. It hit this shit? Man, that's crazy. Oh shit, niggas driving too crazy. Bitches better learn how to fucking drive, yo. She got that Audi for what? That Nissan couldn't hold up to that shit. That shit ain't enough money. You need more money in that Nissan. That shit don't got the crumble zone technology. I hope the people's okay in that shit. Whoever it was, man, I really hope it was alright. They gotta move that piece of shit out the way. Move that piece of shit out the way.
Who hit who?
Well, from what I'm looking at, they hit them.
Who's with the car?
You need to move away? No.
Who's friends? Okay.
Who was that, buddy?
Who was the one that was just here telling me they're friends with her and that the baby was just coming?
With the baby? I don't know who had a baby.
It was a baby in the car?
I don't know.
This is
look like they hit her though. I don't think where it looks.
they hit the fucking the Audi the way it looks. We don't know how. Maybe the Audi could have been in the wrong though, you know what I mean?
In the back though.
The Audi could have jumped out.
Yeah, it could have.
Or we don't know what the fuck is going on. They definitely gonna know by the end of the day. On the block. It needed crumble zone technology. It didn't have the crumble technology on that shit. It's another morning in Queensbridge. You know where all the police is at.